Den. So we're grilling up a storm again today. We've had an amazing potato macaroni salad with grilled vegetables. We've had a lime butter salmon I cooked earlier, and everybody loves Uncle Dean's pizzas. And I've got three new ones for you here today. This first one that we're going to cook up is a chicken pesto pizza. I put some pesto sauce down on the crust. You had some leftover chicken. You can buy chicken chunks, put that on there as well, and then some mozzarella cheese simply just goes on top. Mozzarella pretty much tops all of these, and then it's going to go on the grill. This is a Hawaiian barbecue pizza. Barbecue sauce on the crust this time, chunks of ham, chunks of pineapple, some diced green onions are going to go on top of it as well, and that's going to go in the grill. And everybody's favorite, it's a classic margarita pizza. Margarita pizza is pretty much just mozzarella cheese and slices, very thinly sliced tomato. That's going to get some mozzarella cheese also. And then that's going to go on the grill. I cooked the bottom sides of these crusts already. So the bottom side's already done, or the top side rather. The bottom side is not cooked. So when I put these on the grills, the bottom side is going to cook up. Everything's going to melt, and it's going to be fantastic. Just like these completed ones that I already have. Here is the Hawaiian barbecue pizza. Look how amazing that looks. Good that's going to be. You can put a little more hit of barbecue sauce on top of it. Here is the chicken pesto pizza. That looks amazing also. And then finally, got the margarita pizza. And I put fresh basil on my margarita pizza. I cut this basil right out of my yard this morning. I've got a huge crop of basil growing in my yard. And I love basil, so I really put it on. Now you can put as much or as little as you want. Actually, some basil will be good on the chicken pesto pizza as well, because the pesto sauce is basically just basil anywhere. There you go. And then just slice them up. These literally take about, maybe like 7 minutes on each side of the grill. Low indirect heat. You don't want to burn up the crust like I did to two of them here earlier today. We've been playing Frisbee with those during the break. So you cut these up. Delicious grilled pizzas on the grill for your 4th of July. Thank you. We've got all the recipes up on the web, wgntv.com/Deanslist. And thank you again to our friends at Jewel Osco. A little bit later on, got some lemon chicken drumsticks that are perfect for a party. Easy finger food. That's coming up for you in just a little while. For now, though, are we sending it to Around Town? Is that what I'm told? We're sending it out to Anna around town?